Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Sentry for error tracking in no-code app launches. Detailed guide step. To register with Sentry for error tracking in your no-code app launches, begin by navigating to the Sentry website. On the home page, look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a secure password. After filling in the required information, click on the Create Account button. Next, check your email for a confirmation link from Sentry. Open the email and click on the provided confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Sentry website to log in with your new credentials. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the Sentry dashboard. Here, click on the button labeled Create Project to start setting up your error tracking. You will then be asked to select a platform for your project. Since you are working with a no-code application, choose the option that best fits your needs. Follow the on-screen prompts to name your project and configure any necessary settings. After your project is created, you will receive a unique DSN, data source name, string. This DSN is crucial for integrating Sentry with your application. If your no-code platform supports custom scripts, navigate to the Integration Settings section. Paste the DSN string into the designated field for your project's Sentry integration. Ensure that all configurations are correctly set up to allow for real-time error tracking. Save your changes and test the integration to confirm that Sentry is capturing error events. You can simulate an error by triggering a known issue in your application. Return to your Sentry dashboard to check if the error appears in the project's issue list. Once confirmed, you are fully set up to track errors in your no-code apps using Sentry. Utilize the insights provided by Sentry to improve your application's stability and user experience. Monitor your dashboard regularly for any new error reports. By following these steps, you'll effectively implement error tracking for your no-code app launches with Sentry. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.